YouTube, what's good? This your boy Ricky Redline. I am back with yet another one. This time, I got yet another carbon fiber piece to add to the bike right here. You guys already saw the video with me installing the carbon fiber tank dash on the bike here. I don't know if the lighting is picking it up, but you can see that right there. Looks really good. From Advanblack. Now, I got another piece from Advanblack that's carbon fiber. And I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys right now. Stay tuned.
Red line. Ricky! Ricky red line, hit the gas, no break time. Lights flash, big screen, yeah, it's showtime.
Now, I have another piece from Advanblack that's carbon fiber, and I'm gonna unbox it and show it to you guys right now. So if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. This helps the channel grow. Please engage in the comments as the algorithm will pick up on all this and help the channel out. I appreciate it, thank you. But let's get to the unboxing. From Advanblack, I have the carbon fiber hand guards. I don't know if the light is picking it up. The lighting is not the greatest. It's about 5:15 in the afternoon and the sun is going down. But I'm gonna get this video in real quick. I will do a quick install while I have some sunlight. But these are it. The carbon fiber hand guards from Advanblack with the inserts right here. You can take these bad boys out if you need some extra air like that, and just slip them right back in if you wanna block out the air. I also have the sequential turning lights, the turning signals that go in here. I will not be installing those today. I'll do those another day. Simply because I gotta take the fairing off, I gotta hook the lights up to the blinkers and all that. I just did that the other day with the new headlights. I don't have the time right now or the daylight, so stay tuned for that video. I will put that out. We're gonna get these bad boys on, the carbon fiber Advanblack handguards, on the 2018 Road Glide Special. You guys stay tuned. This your boy Ricky Redline, out. All right, y'all. So this is some of the hardware that comes with the Advanblack. You're going to throw this on the hand guards and attach it to your handlebars via the mirrors. So as you can see, this one says brake side. And because I have a 2018 Road Glide, I have a cable clutch. They do have another attachment for if you have a hydraulic clutch. I believe that's for 2014 and older. I have a 2018, so I'll be using the cable clutch. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so in this box is the sequential LED turning signals. Like I said earlier in the video, I will not be installing these today, but they will be on the bike eventually. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what we got. The sequential turning lights, the 3M tape, see that right there, super long cord with the relay box in there that you plug into your OEM plug on the bike for your turn signals. So I'll install this at a later date. I'll be sure to put a video up to get that done for you guys so you can see how that's done. Again, if you like this type of content, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will continue to put videos out like this as I receive things in the mail. This was not sent to me by Advanblack. This channel is not yet sponsored by anybody. So all of these products that I'm putting on my bike are bought with my hard-earned money. So I'm just giving you an honest review of what I think without any bias involved. So even if I was sponsored, I would give you guys the truth. I wouldn't sugarcoat anything, and I would just tell you guys if it's worth buying or if it's not. So let's get these let's get these hand guards on the bike, man. I'm losing daylight, so hopefully I can get this done fast enough. We'll see. It's your boy Ricky Redline. Pray for me. Out. All right, YouTube, so I got the hardware on. You wanna make sure that this bracket, as you can see, the lip of it is facing up. You don't want it at the bottom, you want it at the top. This is the part that you're gonna slide your mirror through on the handlebars. So I'm gonna do that right now. I gotta take this bolt off at the bottom of the mirror. Let me see if I can show you with the lighting. This bolt right here. So I need to unscrew that, throw the hand guards on, and then retighten the screw back up. So y'all stay tuned, I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna tap back in with you guys after I do that. It's your boy Ricky Redline, out. All right, YouTube, so the hand guards are on. As you can see, they look good, man. Carbon fiber from Advanblack. You see the Hogworks light, look good on the front. But these hand guards look good, man. I can't wait to try them out. And I did try out the new Flow Motorsport levers. Oh my God, huge difference. If you're in the market for some new levers, I only know about these because these are the only ones I've ever purchased aftermarket. And I like them, man. Adjustable, the clutch is a lot lighter, easier on the hands, stylistic. I love it, man. But this is the Advanblack carbon fiber handguards. I will put the LED lights on another day, and I'll make a video regarding that because I gotta take the front fender off and everything. But this your boy Ricky Redline, I'm signing off. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the hand guards. They look really good, I think so. All right, y'all, I'm out.